How to remove words, text, characters from PDF file online through internet website. So before we go to this video, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video and important video upload. And by your subscription and press like for the video, we can be searchable in Google and YouTube. Let's go. Please press like for the video. Here the website, it's PDF filter, pdffilter.com. So here this is the free trial. You can add text, delete text, copy and paste, add check mark, undo, redo, add date, different things. Accept. PDF document editor. So we will select add text to PDF and then select the device to upload the PDF file, and go where the PDF file here مثلا this one, and open. Loading, so the file will be loaded here. It takes time, so I will stop. It's not just for deleting text, but you can add text. As you see, you can add date, you can add picture, any way. So I will go to the picture, okay, chapter this. I need to erase. So you will press on the erase and you will put here. Okay. Delete. So it's very simple. You can delete text, you can add text. So first of all, you have to select this, and inside select, highlight what you want to read, and then press the delete key. It deleted. Okay, then you can scroll down. So I need to delete every chapter. Okay. So I can add, as you see, right? Very simple. Select and add. So this website is very useful. It's very useful. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any, the website is pdfilter.com. If there is any question, please write your question and I will reply to you as soon as possible, and press like and share the video with others if you like it.